Choripan. That's the one, guys. Look at that. Unbelievable. As usual, I'm a professional. And time to enjoy our choripan. It's unbelievable, guys. It's another word. Chimichurri give you this acid and clean the fat of it. Time for tasting. Choripan we love. Ingredient of our unbelievable and super simple recipe.
Choripan.
And let's start from the basic.
Argentinian chorizo. It's a must. Freshly made baguette.
And that's it, guys. Those are the ingredients. But after we need the sauce, the beautiful chimichurri. And what we need for our chimichurri, super simple.
50 grams of fresh parsley, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, 20 grams of spring onion. You can also use red onion or white onion.
Of course.
2 fresh red chilies, but you can also use the chili flakes.
Oregano. We are in South America with this recipe. Mexican oregano, 2 tablespoons. And about the vinegar, the original recipe that we made is with red wine vinegar, but you wanna go Italian, balsamic vinegar. You wanna go fancy Asian Filipino, toyo calamansi is very nice. Or you wanna go a little bit more simple, coconut vinegar. Very nice, what I will use today.
And of course, extra virgin olive oil.
The rules for the oil and the vinegar, from my side, like a normal vinaigrette. That means 1 part of acid, in this case vinegar, 3 parts of olive oil. If you want more acid, do what you want.
How to do it? It's very simple. Just chop everything and that's it.
As a tool, because we are at home and we don't have access to this beautiful charcoal barbecue, we have our grill. Of course, the 360 coming from Amazon. I will put the link in bio. Amazing machine. And that's it, guys. You see that? This is what we want. Nice, juicy, fresh for our choripan. And super easy. Choripan. Easy. For these amazing things, look at that. By the Argentinian version, otherwise it's not choripan. We will cut in half and in half again to make it flat for the grill. When you have your beautiful chorizo ready, we slice the bread and we grill it in the same fat. And look at that guy. That's the choripan. That's the one. There is not another one, guys. That's it. Choripan from Argentina we love. And time to enjoy our choripan. Sorry for you, do your own. We share it. Look at that.
Time for tasting.
Time for tasting. Look at it. It's unbelievable, guys. It's another word, nothing to say. And buy the original chorizo because otherwise doesn't make any sense.
Sorry.